Hey guys, it's Tony. So I did want to talk a little bit, just kind of give my thoughts on Robinhood releasing the wallets, the crypto wallets earlier today, and officially making the announcement. Right, I'm 160 on the list, 160,000. I wish you could double tap it, like I think for the card was or something. But there were a couple of things that I kind of wanted to expand on, especially with, specifically with Robinhood and altcoins, and how I think that they are gonna maneuver themselves as far as which altcoins to actually put on their platform. I think there's a lot of talk about Robinhood, potentially adding specific altcoins to their platform, and I think it's going to be very easy to tell which ones are going to be added, and at least from a business standpoint, and at least from what I think Robinhood is going to do moving forward. Keep in mind that Robinhood is a broker, right? They don't make money off of people making money, right? If Bitcoin goes from $1,000 to $50,000, Robinhood doesn't make any money off of that. They make money off of transactions. They make money off of buys and sells, whether you like that or not. Robinhood is not feeless. They actually charge you within the actual price of your stocks whenever you purchase anything or whenever you sell anything. That's how they make their money. And they also payment for order flow, all that other good stuff, whatever. But thing is here, the majority of the money that they make is in volume trading. So I can put in an order for $100,000 worth of Bitcoin and I can sell it tomorrow, and they'll make a big chunk out of that money strictly because it's a transaction, right? I buy today, sell tomorrow. They make money off that buy. They make money off that sell. That's how Robinhood makes money, right? Off of transactions. And I think that, they're going to be categorizing the additions of new cryptos dependent on the volume of trading, or how much something is actually traded on other platforms. Specifically, I would think volume is going to happen. So if I were to guess, and this is kind of speculation, right? I don't think it's too much speculation. I do think there's a lot of merit to where this metric is coming from. But if I had to guess, which cryptos are actually going to be added into Robinhood, I would definitely have to say that Shiba Inu is going to probably be one of the first ones that come on. I definitely think that ADA, probably Solana, maybe Quant. I do not think XRP is going to get added anytime soon, at least not until their whole lawsuit, debacle, all that stuff is going on. But I would definitely look at the cryptos or the altcoins that are being traded with high volume, at least in like the last year, or possibly just in their whole life, the whole lifetime that they've had in the span of trading, right? You want to see what the volume is, because what they want is they want to make money. Their biggest crypto money maker is Doggy. And it's not because it's popular, it's because a lot of people trade it on Robinhood, which means that a lot of people buy and sell it, right? They hold on to it for maybe, I don't know, like a couple of days and then sell it. Obviously, there's a lot of holders, a lot of people that hold it, but there's a lot of volume that goes into Doggy, a lot of volume. So, I would think that, you would have, similar implications of how they're going to choose altcoins that make the money. Keep in mind, they are a business. They want, and not only are they a business, they're essentially a company now that's actually trading live in the New York Stock Exchange. So like I said, I think a very good way of determining what altcoins are going to be added is by volume. So I think Shiba Inu is going to be one. Pretty sure Solana has a really high volume of trades. I think ADA is definitely on that list. I would think something like a Polkadot would probably be up there. You can also do research on Coinbase, probably CoinMarketCap. I'm sure there's a lot of other platforms that you can do your research. I'll probably end up doing my own research and then probably releasing a video. But I definitely think that Shiba Inu, ADA, Solana, probably Quant, maybe like something like a Polkadot or Algorand. We really have to look at the volume of trading being done to a specific crypto. Because I do think that, ultimately Robinhood is a business. They want to make money and they want to impress shareholders and keep their stock price up consistently. So I would definitely guess and assume that, you know, Robinhood is definitely looking at adding more altcoins, and the process that they're going to be doing it is looking at, you know, the most volume that gets traded by crypto. So keep that in mind. You know, I think that's going to be the process that they're going to use, because that's ultimately how they're going to make the most money. And it doesn't make sense to add a coin like like Matic, for example, that doesn't have all that much trading volume, even though it's popular. Doesn't have a lot of trading volume. Or something like a I don't know, another random ass coin that I can think of, like Atom or something, right? So Atom, Matic, those are all really good altcoins, but, you know, they don't have a lot of trading volume. So just like I said, just keep that in mind, because I do think that, you know, just looking at like common sense and common sense theory, you know, it does look like, you know, the additions are going to come through volume, and which altcoins are actually traded the highest in volume. And I think Shiba Inu is definitely one of the bigger contenders to be added first to the Robinhood altcoin platform, as well as possibly ADA and maybe something like a Polkadot or something. Sorry, that's my daughter in the background. But yeah, just some thoughts that I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about. But I'll see you later. Have a great day, and I'll see you all for the next video. Bye-bye.